The TruckGlide by TruckVault is a heavy-duty cargo slide system designed to provide easy access to gear, tools, and equipment stored in the bed of a pickup truck or SUV. It allows users to extend their cargo area outward, making loading and unloading more efficient while maintaining security and organization. Extends out for effortless access to stored items. Built with high-quality materials to handle heavy loads. Ensures safety by keeping cargo in place when in motion. Available in various sizes to accommodate different truck models. The TruckGlide is ideal for professionals, outdoor enthusiasts, and first responders who need quick, organized, and secure access to their gear while on the move.